Let's talk about median of group data. Again, we have here the formula of the median for group data. We have here median equals the exact lower limit of the median plus the half of n minus the cumulative frequency below the median class all over the frequency of the median class multiplied by class interval. So I'll repeat. Here's the formula. So here we have the exact lower limit of the median class plus half of your total number of cases, which is represented by n over 2, minus this is your cumulative frequency, that is small letter CF. Cumulative frequency below the median class. Then we have F sub MD, that is the frequency of the median class, then multiplied by our class interval. So as you can see, we have here the representation of those denotations based from the given formula. Okay, now let's have our example. So I have here a frequency distribution table. Okay, so first we have to identify our median class. Okay, what is median class? When we say median class, that is the class interval where your median lies. That's the meaning of median class. Okay, I'll repeat. Median class is defined as this is the class interval where your median class lies. So how do we identify your median class? So first, we are going to consider our n over 2. So based from our frequency distribution table, we have n is equal to 40, right? Now, half of 40, we have n over 2 is equal to 40 all over 2. So we have n over 2 is equal to 20. That is the value of n over 2, or simply half of n. Now, we are going to find out our CF. Our CF is known to be our cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is defined to be adding all the frequencies as we go up or go down using our class interval. So how do we find out our cumulative frequency? Our cumulative frequency, this is also known as ogive. Okay, ogive. That is also the other term for cumulative frequency. Now let us try to find out our cumulative frequency or ogive. So first, we are going to use our lowest class interval. So we have 20 to 24 and the frequency is 1. So we have to write 1. After that, we are going to add now the next frequency so that we can have the cumulative frequency of 25 to 29 as the class interval. So we will add now 1 plus 3. So this will become now 4. Then 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8. Then 8 plus 6, that is equal to 14. Then 14 plus 5, that is equal now to 19. Then 19 plus 8, that is equal to 27. Then 27 plus 4, that is equal now to 31. Then 31 plus 2, that is equal to 33. Then 33 plus 4, that is equal to 37. Then 33 plus 3, that is equal to 40. Remember, you got your cumulative frequency correctly if you got the same number of your n and your total or the last CF of your class intervals. Okay. However, in determining your cumulative frequency, if you are going to start from the lowest class interval, then you have to add. If you are going to begin from using your highest class interval, what you have to do is you're going to subtract. Okay, you're going to subtract. How is that? Okay, so from 40 here, you will subtract 40 minus 3. Then you will get 37. Then the same process as what we did earlier, you need to subtract. If you are going to begin from your lowest or from your highest class interval. Okay? If you begin from your lowest class interval, you need to add. If you will begin from your highest class interval, then you need to start from your highest or the total number of frequency, then you subtract. Okay, now we are going to find out our median class. So, what is our median class now? Remember that in determining your median class, we are going to consider your n all over 2. Here we have 20, right? Now, since n over 2 equals 20 here, we can have that your median class lies here. This is your median class. Okay, how did I get your median class? Remember, I got this median class from our n over 2. Our n over 2 is equal to 20. And take note that your median class should not be greater than 20. Because if it is greater than 20, then you will be misled. So here, in computing our median now, you have to take note that your cumulative frequency below your median class should not be higher than n over 2. Okay? Because if your cumulative frequency below the median class is higher, then you will be getting a negative difference. And that's the way of getting your median class. So here, your median class lies from 45 to 49. So we can determine your median belonging from this class interval 45 to 49. Okay, so now let us compute our median. Our median is denoted by MD, then we have exact lower limit of your median class plus we have n over 2 minus CF all over the frequency of your median class multiplied by our class interval. So now, median is equal to exact lower limit. Remember, our exact lower limit here, it's 44.5, okay? 44.5, that is our exact lower limit. Plus, we have n over 2. Of course, we have 20. Then, minus your cumulative frequency below the median class. So, what is the CF below the median class? We have 19. This is our CF below the median class. Okay? Or preceding the median class. So, minus 19. Now, you have to remember that your CF should not be higher than n over 2. Then all over the frequency of the median class. The frequency of our median class, this is 8. That is our frequency of the median class. So we have 8, so divided by 8, then our class interval is 5. So our median is equal to 44.5 plus 1 over 8 times 5. So we have median is equal to 44.5 plus we have 5 over 8. Okay? Then we have 5 divided by 8 is equal to median is equal to 44.5 plus 0.625 plus 44.5. So what is our answer now? Our median is equal to 0.625 plus 44.5 equals 45.125 approximate. Okay, so that is our median class. It is equal to 45.125. Now let us try to take a look at the class interval. Based on definition, the median class, there is the class interval where you can find your median. And here, our median is 45.125 and it can be found from your range 45 to 49. So this is the step on how to find out your